Hello and welcome to our business update. We want to have a look to needs for business development and how a fully qualified and professional database can help you to find the right members for your next campaign. Which companies are the right one? How can you choose companies? What companies are in your database and in which branch they are, and which number of employees do they have, and in which town they are located? These are questions you need to answer to choose the right companies. So how can a database can help you to do that? See, we have a site inside in our database and see how many companies we have. You see this in the middle of this slide, in which branches these companies are divided, or in which towns these companies are located, or which number of employees do the companies have. And of course, you want to know which companies and how many companies are in our membership to us. And in this left side, we have a list of these companies, of all companies at the moment. And when you have, and then you can click on this piece of cakes or in this list or wherever and make filters. And filters mean you have less or more companies. We will look at this in a short live demo. So let us have a look in our live database. You see companies in our region, and by the way, we have not shown all companies and not shown all information because of data protection. You know that is necessary. So in this example, we have nearly 3,000 companies. We have this company in different branches. We have this company in different regions and number of employees. I told about that. And in this part, we have a list of these concrete companies. So what to do when we want to have companies in one town? You see, you have you can choose a town. So we take Erzen, a small town, and you see we have 54 companies there, and want to see which companies are in Erzen. So we click on this piece, and now our list will get a new sort and filter these companies which are in Erzen. And you see this company in Erzen. Fine. So now we can take this list and use this for our campaign. We go back, or perhaps Erzen is not the right one, and perhaps choose a branch like Stadtwerke. So we click on Stadtwerke, on this piece on the cake, and now our list shows us all Stadtwerke in our region, not only in Erzen. Okay, and sure, you can combine all these slides. You can choose Erzen, you can choose 100 to 199 companies, and finally get a list, and you can use this list for your campaign. So was that easy to find the right companies? And is that perhaps a quick way to find the right companies? Yeah, I think so. And if you have found these companies and have your list, you can need this list to make an invitation or make a telephone call, whatever you want to do with this chosen companies. Thank you.